Before we start this video, become a member of this channel and gain access to all my premium courses. Now open Play Store on your mobile phone. Now we have to install this app. Now go to the Google and search for Camera Studio and we have to open this website. Now I am a Windows user, so I am going to click on this button. If you are using Mac, then this is also available for Mac. So now I'm going to open this setup and I'm going to install this setup. Now click on this finish button and now as you can see guys, now we have this app. Now we have to open this app, click on this continue, grant access while using this app. Now get started. Now guys, we have to click on this connect a device and now as you can see guys, now we have this QR code. Now in a mobile phone we have to tap on this Wi-Fi icon and now as you can see guys, we have to scan this QR code. And now check this out. Now as you can see guys, now we have this mobile phone as a webcam. Now we can also click here and we can change this to our back camera. So this is the back camera because I'm using the ring light. Now I'm going to change this to my front camera. And now have a look. Now we can also in the mode we can blur the background. So as you can see guys, the background is now blurred. We can also select this feature to blur the background even more. We can also select filters. We can select these emojis, AR. Now have a look, we have this cool feature. We can also use this invisible. And we have also these features. So I'm going to click on this none. We can also change the exposure. We can also customize the exposure. And now on the left side, as you can see guys, we can also zoom in and zoom out on a mobile phone. We can also flip this. We can rotate this as well. As you can see guys, now we have the rotation effect. Now guys, on the left side, as you can see guys, we have also these features. So if we click here in the preset, we can also change the preset. So we have these different kind of filters. We have also overlays. As you can see guys, if I select this one, we have this overlay. We can also add our own overlay. As you can see guys, we have this option right here. Now if you go to the manual set lens adjustment, as you can see guys, we can also shift the focus. So as you can see guys, now I'm in focus. So this is how we can use a smartphone as a webcam.